Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint black tea. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh mint leaves, about 10 to 15 per serving, and your preferred black tea, whether it's loose leaf or in tea bags. Don't forget water, and if you like, a touch of honey or another sweetener to enhance the flavor. This simple combination creates a refreshing beverage. Next, prepare your mint. Gently wash the fresh mint leaves, then lightly bruise them by hand or with a spoon to release their aromatic oils. Place the bruised mint and your chosen black tea into a heat-proof mug or teapot. For loose leaf, use 1 to 2 teaspoons per serving or simply 1 tea bag. This step is crucial for a flavorful infusion. Now, let's brew. Heat fresh water to between 200 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just below boiling, for optimal flavor extraction. Pour the hot water directly over the mint and tea leaves in your mug or teapot. Allow it to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Adjust the steeping time based on how strong you prefer your tea, then remove the tea leaves. Finally, it's time to serve. You can strain the tea to remove the leaves and mint or leave them in for a stronger infusion. Add any sweetener you like, perhaps 1 teaspoon of honey, and stir well. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your cup with a fresh mint sprig. Enjoy your perfectly brewed, refreshing mint black tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.